Hello everyone, welcome to my new video, and today I'm going to show you how I made 168 euros in one day with 3D printing and AI generated 3D models on MakerWorld. So let me show you how I did it and how I made this amount of money in just one day, or at least with one day of work. And yeah, let me show you how I did it and if it's worth the effort. And yeah, let's jump right in. So right now you should be able to see my screen and you can already see my account on MakerWorld. So this is my second account. You can check out my first account if you like to. And this account got 700 downloads and 47 boosts completely organically. So I didn't promote it on social media or anywhere else. So this came all from organic searches. So you can see here all of my designs. Let's switch it to downloads. And those are my most popular designs. This one, for example, is just a low poly model of a simple dog sitting and a cute alien, a cute bunny, so small characters or animals. And yeah, they perform pretty well, I would say. I'm really happy with the results. The quality is amazing, and it was really easy AI generating these 3D models. So let's already look at how I did it. And I used meshy.ai for this. The link is in the description. It's an affiliate link. I'm not sponsored by them, but it would support me. But it's also free. So you can generate, I think, 20 3D models per month. So you don't have to pay anything. So let's look at some of the designs I did. What I really liked is this brown bear. You can just type right in here, brown bear or whatever you like, and it will give you 4 options. It will look like this, 4 options of the prompt you entered, and you can always choose one. If you like, you can also add a texture, but a texture is unnecessary for 3D printing at least. So this worked really well. Here is a puck design, worked really well as well. An alien design, here this alien design, you can see it right here. What else? Another alien, another pup, a cat, or this cute bunny. So all these character designs or cartoonish characters worked really well. But let's look at some of the stuff that didn't work at all. And it's this dragon, for example. This looks terrible. And it's impossible to 3D print. If you get a resin printer, it might be possible, but not possible with regular FDM printing. So this looks terrible. This crown looks terrible as well. So all these geometric shapes don't work at all. I don't recommend wasting your credits on some of these designs. Stick to characters, low poly, cartoon designs. Everything else doesn't really work. Also, some of these rock designs worked really well. This doesn't look too great, but let me show you. Here, this rock, the stone wall, looks pretty good. So for terrain or custom miniature landscapes, you can definitely use this. All right. So another strategy, instead of using a prompt, a text-based prompt, you can also, as you can see here, use a reference image. I just used ChatGPT to generate an image, and I fed it to Meshy AI. I uploaded it here, and it gave me the 3D model of this bunny. I think it's this one, and that's just amazing. It doesn't work always, but most of the time it was pretty good. So that's how I AI generated all of these models, and it worked well. So I did all of this in just one day. I printed them and it was done. But was it actually worth it? let's see. So we got 700 downloads and 47 boosts. Boosts are the most important part on MakerWorld because they are $1 each. Your community can, each user can donate 2 boosts per month, I think. And yeah, they're worth $1, which is equivalent to, I think, a couple dozen downloads. So definitely encourage your users to donate these boosts. So a boost is 80 cents and one download is, I think, 7 cents. So that's a huge difference. Let's check my account. So I got 128 points right now. And for 500 points, you get 40 euros worth in coupon codes. So how many points did I make in total? That's 2,224 points. Let's calculate that. 222 divided by 524. So I could get 4.2 coupon codes. That's 4.2 times 40 euros. That brings us to the 168 euros I made so far. And I would say that's not bad at all for 700 downloads. You can see here, your model reached 50 downloads, so I got 15 points. That's amazing. And you can already see that I claimed 4 different coupon codes and already used those. So I would say it was actually worth it. It was not the most fun task, but yeah, it was amazing. One last thing that I want to show you, which is probably the most important part, is what things should you actually AI generate. So you can AI generate everything, but let's break it down. What's the most efficient way to pick which model to create? So if you go onto your account to Creator Center, you can find on the left-hand side inspiration and popular searches. Here are the most popular keywords on MakerWorld right now that are trending. And you definitely have to look out for those. If you don't have a trending keyword, you won't get any organic traffic. So for example, Mother's Day got a score of 100 right now because Mother's Day is, I think, in two or 3 days. So people are looking for Mother's Day and they want to print something for Mother's Day. So if you create a design specifically for that purpose, you can get a lot of downloads. Let's look for, it's already recommended Mother's Day. So people are browsing here and they are downloading whatever design they like. So they will always might boost it, and you can see this design get 2,500 boosts and 20,000 downloads. As I said, we can download how much this design made. 2,500 times 80 cents plus 22,000 downloads times 7 cents per download. This design alone made 3,500 euros, which is insane. So this guy is doing something really right. As you can see, it's insane. So there's definitely money to be made. You might make more money if you just sell the physical prints. I just want to throw that out there. If it makes sense, offering it for free, maybe, maybe not. Be aware of that. But that's the strategy I used for some of these low effort AI generated models. Let me know what you think. Let me know if I should make a tutorial about this. And leave a like, subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.